Well, welcome back once again, and thank you so much for jumping back into another video of the series technical analysis. This is the point of emergency. We have Bitcoin crashing right now in front of us. As you can see, Bitcoin crashed from this point, this place to this place within a day, I would say, from 20 to 18.5. And talking about this trend line, it is holding above this trend line. But this video is not about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Cardano and the potential entries. This is especially going to be about the entries. Now we're gonna get chances on the Bitcoin, on the Cardano as well. So for Bitcoin, what should I expect? I mean, I believe that it is gonna go more toward the low side if we say. Let's do this 200. And you see that the 200 moving average is right above there, and you see this notification. Bitcoin could say the price is going to zero. At least that happens every time. Every time, I mean, every time. So there was your top. You got rejected from there on a 200 moving average, and still a lot of way to go back above to the 200 moving average. But on the weekly time frame, you see this thing. This place was a good place to start taking entries, but the candle has moved down. I mean, this is 22,000 level. This is a very important level. Bitcoin should not be going below that, but it has gone, and you can't say anything. I mean, so what should I expect? What's the next move? Well, I mean, we do not want to close below this line. We want to get some liquidity, do some flash crashes, and do whatever they want to do. Come back up quickly, because this is so strange kind of crash. It doesn't happen like that. I mean, that was the point. You should get back to 34 technically, but these things are not happening technically right now. So what's with the Cardano? Okay, now you talk about Cardano. I made a video and I talked about that as well. I told you that Cardano is right below the weekly support level. Weekly 200 moving average, big support and a big resistance, but it seems like it has closed below that. In the previous video I talked about this thing, and you saw that it got rejected from here 1, 2 and second time. These were the wicks, ignore them. They were of no use. So we're still feeling that resistance, still facing the same point. It was on the macro scale, it's very bearish. But on this time frame, this has printed this. The good thing for Cardano is that it is holding. It's holding this level. And this is a good point. It's a good level to hold. You see that there is candle inside there. I mean, it's a strong candle, strong bullish candle. This is a very famous pattern. I forgot its name. You know, in my trading course, if you did the trading course, I have already talked about this candle pattern. This is a very strong bearish candle pattern, candlestick pattern. So beware. I mean, it is gonna go down further, but up to what zones? Okay, let's go back to the week. Cardano is a strong coin, fundamentally strong coin. I talked about this level. Let me just take it for you guys. This is almost 1 p.m. and I already feel sleepy. Okay, I want to stretch it here back to this place. So you see this place, it was already the top of Cardano's on 18th and on 20th, and then it is back into the play. I mean, this is the area that would be a level for the Cardano where you can DCA. And talking about the fibs, I'm already optimistic on this place. This place is acting as a strong support. So you see on the Fibonacci tracement, we have this exactly on this pattern. It is like it is holding it with good strength. You see, I really don't want to break below this support line because this would be drastic. I mean, then the targets could not be identified with the fibs at least. At least we have some confidence that the golden ratio of Fibonacci retracement number. This is the point you should get some kind of reversal. If you get a reversal here, you are targeting 0.76. So Cardano community, stay strong. Keep investing, keep owning money in this. This is your last chance. No matter where the Bitcoin is going, you have to accumulate Cardano. Cardano is a strong coin. That's what I am doing. But it has been in such a big downtrend. So expect at least a good relief back above. So you will get that soon. So I think that would be it for Cardano, but let's check for divergences. Okay, so we try to find this divergence. Nah, mate, we can't find any divergence on the weekly time frame, but I think I would find it on the shorter time frames. Yes, I think I have got one. Or yes, I got one. So imagine you get a bullish divergence on a Fibonacci 1.618 golden pocket level. Strong bullish divergence on a strong fundamental coin like Cardano. I would be taking the risk. And talking about the risk, I have already taken a trade on this coin, which is currently live. I will share that trade in the Telegram community as well. The link is in the description. If you have not joined our Telegram community, you can join. Well, for now, right now I see some movement in Cardano, so I can expect there will be a movement in the Bitcoin as well. So not good things are happening here for Bitcoin. All the scenarios, everything is printing, all the technical things are printing good bullish reversals. But again, Bitcoin is a king. You can't control the money. You don't know where the flow is coming from. And this trend line, it's also broken towards the downside, which is by itself a bullish falling wedge. But sadly, you know, when the bearish momentum is strong, these things, they tend to break towards the downside, which is not a good idea. So it is breaking towards the downside. What we can do is we can just pray, or maybe I mean, if I was to play some entries, I wanna play some entries on Bitcoin as well. So this was the point for me. What, 16,141? If you just look at it on daily, so you see we have already gone below the 2017 top, and this is the 2019 top. So 13,899, that is also on the cards. And then there comes this 12,127. So, and this is the level I am talking about, from where we got this order block and we started this big pumps. So that would be this area, 17,712, but that seems very near. We are just almost there. Let's hope nothing bad happens. So this is a big bearish trend. I mean, I remember my video where I told everyone to exit this place. So nothing expected, just accumulation would go on. You will just get relief rallies. Do not expect a bullish trend or bull run. It's over, just accept that and move on with your lives. So thank you so much. This was it for Cardano. If you like the video, if you like the content, please make sure you subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.